In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background on Webex. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, making your virtual meetings more professional or fun, depending on your choice. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter much which one you use, as long as it's up to date, so just use whatever you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, navigate to your search engine and type in Webex. Hit Enter, and you should see a list of search results. Usually, the first result will be what you're looking for, so go ahead and click on that. Now, you're going to need to log into your Webex account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which is a simple process involving entering your email and creating a password. However, assuming you already have an account, enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're logged in, you're ready to join or start a call or meeting. You can either schedule one, join an ongoing meeting, or start an instant meeting. Webex provides a range of options to suit your needs, whether you're meeting one-on-one or with a larger group. With your meeting window open, now focus on the lower part of your screen where you'll find various controls. One of these is the Stop Video button. Next to it is a down arrow. Click on this. Doing so will present you with a few options, including the ability to manage your video and audio settings. What you're looking for here is the section labeled Virtual Background. This feature is fantastic for enhancing your privacy, reducing distractions, or just adding a little flair to your meetings. You will see a selection of default backgrounds. Webex offers a range of options here, from simple gradients and plain colors to more creative and themed backgrounds. Simply click on one to select it, and you'll see a preview of how it looks. While you cannot upload custom backgrounds in this step, the default ones offer plenty of variety to choose from. Once you've selected a background you're happy with, just close the menu and continue with your call or meeting. Your selected virtual background will now appear to everyone in your current session. And there you have it. Changing your background in Webex can be a powerful tool to improve your call experience, whether you want to ensure your privacy, reduce visual clutter, or just want to have a bit of fun with your environment. Make sure to play around with different options to find the one that best suits you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new look on Webex.